Who's that, me? Are you Doja Cat? No, I'm a cousin.
Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Risky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C and today I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm gonna try to recreate Doja Cat makeup look. If you guys are interested in this makeup tutorial, please continue to watch. Before I get into this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. With that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so first we're going to start off with the brows. Her brows don't even have like a curve or anything. It's just like straight. Wish me luck. So I'm just going to brush my brows up. I'm going to use some concealer and clean up my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, apply it on my eyelids, and blend that out. So in the picture, she has this brown in her crease. So I'm going to take my Morphe palette and I'm going to use this brown color right here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and apply that on my eyelids. So guys, I have this palette from e.l.f. and it's like a really old palette. It's eyes, lips, and face palette. And I'm going to take this light pink right here. So I'm just gonna create a wing, and she has a very dramatic wing. Oh Lord, wish me luck. I'm not that good at wing, but let's go. So I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Just gonna put it underneath my brow, because underneath her brows had a little bit of shimmer to it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. So guys, my lashes are on and these are the lashes that I use. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. Let's get into this beat. So I'm now going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight my face. I'm now going to cream contour with my NYX Wonder Stick in Deep Profound. I'm gonna set my face using my Airspun loose powder. I'm gonna contour with my NYX matte bronzer. I'm now going to use my NYX blush in Beach Babe. And I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. So in her inner tear duct, she have this white, like silverish looking color in there. So I'm going to go back in that same e.l.f. palette and use this color right here. So I'm gonna line my lips with this pencil. So in the picture, she's wearing this matte pinkish color. So I have this NYX lip lingerie in lace detail. And I think that should work. Let's see. I'm gonna set my face using my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. In the picture, Doja Cat had like a pinkish long drop. I ain't got that, so I had like something similar. So I put that on. You know, I have this wig here that I try to make it work. It's a synthetic wig. Ain't got no coins, it's broke, and maybe hopefully somebody will see me and be like, oh, let me reach out to her and give her some here. Hello, getting my Gmail. Okay, before I leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.